Anxiety is not just something you think, it is something your biology negotiates every day. A recent large-scale genetic study analyzed data from over 1.2 million people across multiple ancestral groups. The goal was simple but ambitious: to understand how genetics contributes to anxiety disorders. What researchers found reshapes how we think about mental health. The study identified 51 genetic regions linked to anxiety, most of them previously unknown. These genes were not random. They were active in brain regions responsible for emotion, threat detection, memory, and stress regulation. In other words, anxiety risk is written into how neural circuits process the world. Importantly, these genes do not work alone. They form networks that span the brain, immune system, metabolism, and hormone signaling. Anxiety emerges not from a single broken switch, but from systems pushed toward hypervigilance. Here's the most important takeaway. Genes load the gun, but environment pulls the trigger. Gene expression is dynamic. It responds to how you move, eat, sleep, and manage stress. Regular physical activity directly influences anxiety-related genes by improving neuroplasticity and reducing inflammatory signaling. Movement trains the nervous system to interpret stress as manageable rather than threatening. Whole food diets rich in plants, omega-3 fats, and fermented foods support brain signaling and gut-brain communication. Nutrition shapes gene expression through epigenetic mechanisms that affect mood regulation. Mindfulness, breathwork, and slow nervous system training reduce cortisol-driven gene activation. These practices quiet the biological alarm system that anxiety genes amplify. Sleep stabilizes emotional regulation networks. When sleep is disrupted, anxiety-related genes become louder. Consistent sleep timing protects the brain's emotional control systems. This research tells us something profound. Anxiety is not weakness. It is biology shaped by experience, and biology is adaptable. You cannot change the genes you inherit, but you can change how they express, how they interact, and how they shape your life. That is where empowerment begins. Until next time, stay curious and stay healthy. Peter Marino, signing out.